Hi, welcome back to the Berdu channel. Adding video to your website is a great way to make it more engaging and visually appealing. We've previously covered how to embed standard videos on your website, but what if the video you want to embed is in portrait format, like a YouTube Shorts video? Let's walk through it together. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel for hundreds of useful tutorials. Hit the like button below and turn on the notification bell. All right. From your Berdu website dashboard, go to Layout. You can add your portrait video to the homepage or any custom landing page. For this demo, we'll use a custom page. You can either create a new page or edit an existing one. Let's click Add section and search for the video section. By default, it'll look like this. In the video URL field, paste the link of the video you want to embed. It can be any video link, but in this case, we're using a YouTube Shorts link. The easiest way is to just copy the link from the browser's address bar. Then paste it here. And just like that, your video will appear in the preview. If you're using the YouTube mobile app, tap the Share button, then choose Copy Link. Now, you can adjust the width of the video using the slider here. Tweak it based on your design needs. Since shorts are in portrait format, we need to update the aspect ratio. Change it to 9:16 for the correct vertical display. Next, let's go over the additional video settings. First, there is Hide Controls. When this is checked, the video will play without showing controls like pause, next, or full screen. Autoplay. If you enable this, the video will start playing automatically as soon as the page loads. Muted. Check this if you want the video to play automatically without sound. Loop. With this enabled, the video will restart automatically once it finishes. Lastly, if you want to rotate the video, use this slider here. Adjust it however you like to match your website layout. Click Done, then drag this video section to the position you want. For example, I'm placing it right here, under the second section group. Once you're done setting everything up, don't forget to click Save, and let's preview the page. And that's it for this tutorial. Like this video, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the Berdu channel for more step-by-step guides. Also, follow us on social media for more great content. See you!